Boulder, Colorado. This is what you get for $1,725,000. It's 5-bedroom, 4-bath, boasting over 3,600 square feet. You've got high ceilings, multiple decks, just you wait, and a backyard to boot. Oh, it is absolutely dynamic. Look at those ceilings, skylights, wood-burning fireplace. This place is a vibe. Kelly McAllister's got this one listed, and it's legit. Definitely has space to spread your legs and just enjoy. Really nice kitchen. Oh yeah, here's that second patio and the backyard. Absolutely dynamic. Just down the street from Ozo Coffee, Black Belly Butchery, and so much more. Really nice backyard, little seating space. This place is a vibe. Just moments away from South Boulder Creek. Woo! Take the dogs for a morning walk. Absolutely amazing. I'll pass on through to the living room. What are we to do with over 3,600 square feet? Did I say this place was only $1.725 million? It's a steal. Oh, now we're in the primary. Lovely light, high ceilings. Make the bathroom your own with just a few small touches. Walk-in closet. Oh man, look at those ceilings and the light. Absolutely legit. And you've got your own custom laundry room to boot. Oh, and a private patio. Legit. Let's go check the rest out.